and welcome to Job Breakers. Today we are going to do top 20 MCQs on current affairs of India. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question of first is, which sector received a record government push in the Union Budget 2026-2027? A. Textile industry. B. Infrastructure development. C. Film industry. D. Tourism. Correct answer is option B. Question second. India's planned infrastructure expenditure for financial year 2026-2027 is approximately A 5 trillion, B 8 trillion, C 12.2 trillion, D 20 trillion. Correct answer is option C. Question 13. Which mission continues transforming 100 Indian cities through technology-driven urban development? A. Digital India Mission. B. Green India Mission. C. Smart Cities Mission. D. Skill India Mission. Correct answer is option C. Question 4. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad project is famous because it is India's A. longest expressway, B. first bullet train corridor, C. largest airport project, D. largest metro project. Correct answer is option B. Question 5th. Which emerging technology is considered a major driving of India's digital economy in 2026? A. Fax technology, B. AI technology, C. pager systems, D. analog computing. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. Bharat Innovatives 2026 focused primarily on A. agriculture subsidies, B. supports training, C. innovation and startups, D. mining development. Correct answer is option C. Question 7. Which institution emerged as the highest ranked Indian university in the latest QS rankings? A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Madras, C. IIT Delhi, D. IIT Guwahati. Correct answer is option C. Question number 8. According to recent trends, which traditional engineering branch has witnessed renewed popularity among IIT aspirants? A. Textile engineering, B. Civil engineering, C. Marine engineering, D. Ceramic engineering. Correct answer is option B. Question number 9. Niti Aayog's report 2006 highlights the future potential of India's A. fishing industry, B. semiconductor industry, C. silk industry, D. handicrafts industry. Correct answer is option B. semiconductor industry. Question 10. Which government initiative continues to support domestic manufacturing through incentives? A. MP-LEDs, B. PLI scheme, C. PM Kisan, D. MG Narega. Correct answer is option B. Question number 11. The Khelo India mission aims primarily to A. promote film production, B. expand supports development ecosystem, C. increase coal mining, D. develop ports. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. India's technology ecosystem in 2026 is characterized by A. declining digital adoption, B. expansion of AI and cloud infrastructure, C. reduced startup activity, D. closure of innovation centers. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. Which region has highlighted for rapid connectivity and infrastructure growth? A. Thar Desert, B. Lakshadweep, C. Northeast India, D. Andaman Islands. Correct answer is option C. Question 14. The National Industrial Corridor Development Program mainly supports A. manufacturing and industrial growth, B. wildlife conservation, C. tourism promotion, D. language preservation. Correct answer is option A. Question 15. Haryana's proposed AVGC-XR policy focuses on A. space research, B. biotechnology, C. gaming, animation and extended reality, D. Agriculture. Correct answer is option C. Question number 16. India's economic growth in 2026 is primarily supported by A. Domestic demand and investment, B. Gold imports alone, C. Reduction in population, D. Foreign aid. Correct answer is option A. From 17. Which of the following is key focus area in India's next growth phase? A. Reducing digital infrastructure, B. Scaling manufacturing strength, C. Decreasing exports, D. Limiting innovations. Correct answer is option B. Question number 18. Reliance's recent announcements included major investment in A. AI and green energy, B. Coal-only projects, C. Typewriters, D. DVD manufacturing. Correct answer is option A. Question number 19. Which sector is expected to benefit significantly from India's infrastructure push? A. Construction and logistics, B. Handwritten publishing, C. Telegraph services, D. Postal horses. Correct answer is option A. Question number 20. India's long-term national vision aims to become developed nation by A. 2030, B. 2035, C. 2047, D. 2055. Correct answer is option C.